This facility handles the full project scope with a continuous production cadence, specializing in premium tracked industrial vehicles for extreme environments. This facility showcases our end-to-end workflow, utilizing precision scheduling. Notice how the robotic cells operate. This facility represents a leap forward in efficiency. Our automated systems and skilled workforce operate in perfect synchronization. All right, coming down slowly. Easy, easy. Hold it right there. Looks good. Set it down. Watch the clearance on the left. Hold it right there. Perfect.
Our state-of-the-art climate storage ensures that all rubber and polymer supplies are kept in perfect condition before deployment.
Visual checks complete on this cart. All right, moving to the flush station.
Our line-side supermarket uses Kanban lanes. Workers replenish materials in synchronized steps.
The system ensures continuous removal of waste, with forklifts seamlessly swapping full containers without interrupting the compaction cycle.
Check the logistics timing for the East Sector conveyors.
Analyzing the data now, we have a green light.
Acknowledged. Proceed with the transfer sequence.
Maintain current speed. We are reversing the carriage now. Confirmed. Preparing the next plate.
The scan on the datum face is complete.
Verification confirms it's within tolerance. Release the part.
The workflow cycles continuously. Mix, test, and cure. This ensures every batch meets our
At the calibration station, torque tools are verified for assembly accuracy. This ensures every instrument
keep it steady.
Adjusting roller pressure now.
This automated marking and sorting station operates with a continuous heartbeat, ensuring efficient workflow.
Lock the pins on Sector 3.
Pins locked. Checking laser alignment now.
Alignment confirmed. Rotate the table.
Cycle starting. Pressure engaged.
Indicators checked. Within tolerance.
Alignment confirmed. Cycle complete.
Approaching the fixture now.
Alignment check complete. Lowering the frame.
Frame secure. Release the crane.
In the drilling cell, multi-axis CNC heads drill and tap mounting interfaces. Operators manage.
Cycle time on this one looks good. Agreed. Let's get the next one loaded.
The controlled quench process rapidly cools the gears, locking in the desired material properties before they move to the temper lane.
The servo press utilizes continuous force monitoring to precisely press the bearing into the housing bore, guaranteeing accuracy.
The gear stack assembly requires precise shimming and a strict torque sequence. We use a star pattern to ensure even pressure on the fasteners.
Is the input shaft secured on booth 3? Just finished the final torque check. Ready for coupling installation.
The protective wrapping ensures the drivetrain module is secure for transfer, maintaining an uninterrupted flow to final assembly.
Check the finish on this one. Looks good. Keep it moving.
In the primer cure area, parts enter the oven on an overhead conveyor, ensuring a stable temperature and a uniform cured finish.
Here in the cure zone, controlled heat hardens the finish before workers inspect the surface consistency.
Idler and sprocket preparation involves mounting the bearings and applying specialized protective coatings to the contact surfaces. Cycling control sequence alpha.
Monitoring console response, all nominal.
And confirming harness connections. The couplings are secured, and the drive shaft undergoes a guarded, low-speed rotation test to confirm smooth movement and alignment.
Bores aligned.
Sending the pin.
Retainer locked. Moving to the next sequence.
Okay, bring it down slow. Alignment pins engaged. Start the torque sequence on my mark. Mark.
Power systems engaged. Diagnostics running. Status nominal.
Ready for release.
Still seeing bubbles in line 4. Cycling the actuator again. Flow stabilizing now.
Initiating brake cycle test. Sequence start.
Confirmed. Pressure's nominal.
Cycle complete. Releasing rig. Clear to exit.
All clear on the main hose connections.
Confirmed. Vehicle can proceed.
The final cleaning stage involves meticulous wiping, interior dust control, and the application of protective wraps.
Keep it coming straight. Hold it there. Perfect. Check the tension on that tie down.
Looks good. Installing the final block now.
Secure the chains.
Ratchet engaged. Tensioning now.
Confirm tight. Front clear.
Position on that stack, crane operator. Holding. All right, secure the lock and set it down easy.
Seal applied. Documentation verified.
Confirmed secure. Cleared for transport.
Acknowledged. Opening the gate now.
This panel provides easy access for daily maintenance checks. And these kits contain the recommended spares for the first interval.
Everything looks correct on the delivery release. Here are your keys. The vehicle is ready out front.
Thank you. The service was very efficient.